Meaning of equidistant.
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 Equidistant. Equidistant means that two or more points are at the same distance from each other. This term is often used in mathematics and geometry to describe points that are equally spaced. For example, a triangle with three equidistant vertices would have each vertex the same distance from the other two vertices, forming an even-sided shape. Similarly, a circle with equidistant points on its circumference would have those points evenly spaced around the circle. In general, whenever we use the term equidistant, we are indicating that there is uniformity in the spacing between two or more objects or points.